Hello guys. It is undeniable that AI will impact human workforces. Are people afraid to lose their jobs? We asked. What's your name?
Miriam.
My name is Kogan.
My name is Moritz.
My name is Patricia.
My name is Ivo Schuller. I'm from Wiesbaden near Basel and I'm working as a children carer.
Are you afraid that AI is going to take your job?
Take care of children is not a work which can do by any robot.
I'm working with children, so no robot can take over my work.
I don't think that technology will ever replace the human.
I'm studying political science. I don't think that's my future job will be replaced by artificial intelligence.
I made a trainee for a car mechanic before I started my studies, and I think one day artificial intelligence will take over, maybe not completely, but partially, this sector.
Why do you think it is like that?
Because I think children need also the real emotion of other humans and being taken care of them, which no computer or no robot can give to them.
We can make logical conclusions and we can make instant solutions.
Because I think I will work somewhere in the government, and I don't think that this is possible to replace by a machine.
Because it is nowadays pretty easy for fixing minor problems in cars, and I think that it is what the artificial intelligence could do.
You need love, and I think no robot of the world can show love and real feelings.
There will be many shifts in jobs, and you will need to adapt yourself. Thank you for watching and see you next time.